Hello everyone, welcome back to SorryGregory. In today's meeting we will have a quick look at your favorite, ta-da, idioms from colors. Stay tuned. Because idioms don't always make sense literally, you will need to familiarize yourself with the meaning and usage of each idiom. That may seem like a lot of work, but learning idioms is fun, especially when you compare English idioms to the idioms in your language. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, please hit the bell icon, otherwise you won't be alerted when I make a new upload. The first one today is out of the blue. It means suddenly and unexpectedly. You can use it when you are surprised by something that was not expected to happen. Blue refers to the clear blue sky. Normally, a thunderstorm doesn't happen when the sky is clear blue. When it happens, that surprises us since it is unexpected. This explains the connection to blue in the idiom. So you can say, the letter from my bank came out of the blue. I wasn't expecting it. Or one day, out of the blue, she announced that she was leaving. In the red means no money.
I'm free!
The expression in the red comes from the practice of using red ink to highlight losses on financial balance sheets. So if you say, John is in the red, or his bank account is in the red, it means he has no money. In the black, this expression means the opposite of in the red, and it means to have money. It comes from the standard accounting practice of using black ink. For example, John earns £1,000 a week. He doesn't have to worry about having enough money. He's always in the black. Or, this year our business is in the black. Alright, that's it. We've covered 3 idioms from colors today. Of course, there are many more and I leave it to you to find them out. But first, let's recap what we have learned. He called me out of the blue. It was unexpected. They are in the red. They have no money. They are in the black. It means they have money. That's it. Now you know how to speak English better. I hope you've learned something new from today's video. Let me know if you knew all the idioms. See you in the next video. Cheers!